Thinking about using Veeva Vault CRM in 2025? Whether you are in life sciences, pharma, or biotech, today we are diving into an honest review of this platform, what it gets right, what it doesn't, and whether it's worth your investments. What is Veeva Vault CRM? Veeva Vault CRM is a cloud based customer relationship management system designed specifically for life sciences. It's part of the broader Veeva Vault platform, offering a fully integrated solution for content, data, and processes across clinical, regulatory, and commercial operations. Pros. Number one pro, we have the industry specific design. Unlike generic CRMs, Viva is built only for life sciences. It supports regulated environments, compliance needs, and medical sales workflows natively, which is huge. Pro number two, seamless integration with Viva Vault Suite. Vault CRM integrates tightly with other Viva products like Vault Promo Mats and Vault Medcoms, giving you a single source of truth for all commercial content and data. Mobile friendly for reps. Field reps can use Viva CRM on mobile devices or tablets, even offline. That's great for SLs or sales reps meeting doctors on the go. Built-in compliance. It includes built-in features to manage compliance with global regulations, such as FDA 21, CFR Part 11, and GDPR, which reduces risk. Frequent updates. Viva delivers multiple product updates every year, so you are always using the latest version with no downtime. Cons. Number one, expensive for small teams. Pricing isn't public, but Viva CRM is known to be expensive, especially for small biotech startups. It's more geared toward mid-sized to large enterprises. Learning curve. The interface is powerful but not the most intuitive for beginners. Training is essential for new users, especially those unfamiliar with regulated systems. Customization can be complex. While customizable, complex workflows or integrations might require professional services or certified Viva consultants, adding time and cost. Heavy focus on pharma. If you are not in pharma, some of the features may be overkill or irrelevant. This is a niche CRM, and it is best only if you are in that niche. Who should use it? Viva Vault CRM is ideal for companies in pharmaceuticals, biotech, and medical devices that need strict compliance, structured processes, and tight content integration. If you are a growing life sciences company with a field force, it is a serious contender. Conclusion. Now, to wrap it up, Viva Vault CRM shines when it comes to compliance, integration, and industry specific features, but it comes at a price and it is not the easiest tool to master. Make sure it aligns with your team's size, budget, and industry needs before jumping in. And that's it for our today's review. Please do not forget to support us with likes, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you all for watching and listening, and goodbye.